Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can stop Chrome from saving your activity. Let's begin. So you don't want to save any activity on your Chrome browser, whatever you're doing. I want you to click here, your profile icon, right? Click on it, manage your Google account. On the left panel, click on data and privacy. Then under personalization and activity, go to web app activity. All right. If this option is not showing up, you can scroll down and click on view my activity instead. Then it will show in here, it's currently turned off. I want you to turn this option on. It will basically say that any new activity won't be saved anymore once you turn this option back. All right. And basically it's done. Whatever I do from now on, anything on my browser, Chrome browser, it will no longer be saved. And that's it. Updating your activity settings is a simple way to take more control over the information associated with your account. And of course, you can always revisit these settings later if you decide to change what gets saved or managed across your Google services. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.